Marco. Hi. Good afternoon. Smile. Why aren't you smiling? Wow, you're cute. Okay, so this is the alphabet book or mini book, Baby Einstein. Okay, so what's this?
Guys,
What's this?
guys.
No, we are not watching the cars before you. You have to finish this one. What's this? Yeah, leader. What's this? It's an. What's this? Louder.
Apply.
Apple. Next, what's this?
Bird.
Bird. Okay, next. What's this?
Cat.
Cat. Okay, this one?
Drum.
Drum. It's a drum. Very good. What's this?
Elephant.
Elephant. Very good. This one?
Flowers.
Flower. Very good. Next?
Fish.
Fish. Fish. Goldfish. This one?
Zebra.
Is that a zebra? It's a horse. Horse.
Fish.
Horse. Yeah. Tick, 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 tick. Good. This one is a... Oh no. What's this? Insect. Insect. Okay. Now this one? Jelly beans. Okay. Now this one?
Kite.
Kite.
Sound.
This one?
Sound.
Yeah, leader is sound. This one? Oh, this one is the king of the jungle. Whoa. Roar. It's a lion.
Lion.
Okay, it's a lion like Lion King. Okay, next it's a monk. This one? Yeah. Well, this one first. What is this? It's a monkey. Like Monkey George. And this one? It's a nest, but there are eggs in the nest, right? Okay, next. What's this? With big eyes.
Bird.
Yeah, it's a bird, but the kind. It's an owl. Yeah, it's owl like Badsmaru, right? Big eyes. And this one, it's also a penguin. Penguin. There. This one is a coin. It's a quarter, right? Yeah. And this one? Peter. Rabbit. Or it's a rabbit. Okay, next. You have to finish this. Yeah. Okay. Goodbye. We'll see you again. Come on, sit down. Thank you for watching. Say bye. Come on, sit.
Bye.
Bye. Okay. Thank you. Good afternoon. Okay.